The Experts Conference, TEC, isn't just an event. TEC is a rapidly growing global community of experts, practitioners, executives, and MVPs collaborating on the latest cybersecurity, Microsoft Active Directory, and Microsoft 365 information, especially when it comes to cybersecurity threats and how to protect your organization from them. The Experts Conference offers multiple ways to engage with renowned industry experts and Microsoft MVPs, both in person and virtual. They include an annual gathering that's the crown jewel of in-person technical conferences. It's focused on breakout sessions led by industry experts, Microsoft MVPs, and IT professionals like you. The Experts Conference has expanded into Europe with the TEC European Roadshow, bringing jam-packed Microsoft 365 and Active Directory education to European IT professionals. And TEC Talks. These are smaller, shorter virtual webinars scheduled throughout the year, leading up to our in-person events. Join the fastest-growing community of Active Directory and Microsoft 365 experts. See how you can get involved with the Experts Conference.